Mount Roraima, located in the Grand Sabana region of Venezuela, is one of the most mystical and awe-inspiring places on Earth. This flat-topped mountain, or tepui, rises dramatically from the jungle floor, piercing the clouds at a staggering 2,810 meters, 9,220 feet. Its unique landscape and otherworldly appearance have long inspired legends, exploration, and scientific discovery. In this documentary, we'll delve deep into the story of Mount Roraima, exploring its geology, ecology, cultural significance, and the unforgettable adventure awaiting those who dare to visit. Mount Roraima is part of the Roraima mountain chain, which straddles the borders of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana. However, the largest part of the tepui lies within Venezuela, inside Roraima National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The most striking feature of Roraima is its tabletop summit, which stretches for over 30 square kilometers. Unlike most mountains with pointed peaks, Roraima's flat top and sheer cliffs give it an imposing, almost alien look, as if nature itself has carved out a monumental fortress in the sky. What makes Mount Roraima even more special is its age. This tepui is believed to be around 2 billion years old, making it one of the oldest geological formations on Earth. It was formed from sandstone and quartzite over millennia, during a time when South America and Africa were part of the supercontinent Gondwana. The tectonic forces that shaped the land eventually left behind these towering plateaus, isolated from the surrounding landscape, and thus developing ecosystems found nowhere else in the world. The summit of Mount Roraima is often referred to as the Lost World, and for good reason. Due to its isolation from the lowlands, the species that live here have evolved in near-complete seclusion, creating a paradise of biodiversity. Many of the plants and animals that thrive on Roraima's plateau cannot be found anywhere else on the planet. Among them are striking carnivorous plants such as Helianthera and Drosera, which have adapted to the nutrient-poor environment by feeding on insects. The environment is harsh, with frequent rains, mist, and cool temperatures, but life has found remarkable ways to survive here. Perhaps one of the most fascinating aspects of Mount Roraima is the myths and legends that surround it. To the indigenous people of the region, the Pemen and the Kapin, Roraima is a sacred place. They believe that the mountain is the stump of a great tree that once contained all the fruits and vegetables of the world. According to legend, the tree was cut down by a trickster god, causing a flood that reshaped the land and left behind the Tepui Mountains. The indigenous communities still revere the mountain as a spiritual place, and its mysteries are woven into the fabric of their oral traditions. Mount Roraima first gained international attention in 1884 when British explorer Sir Everard M. Thurn became the first European to scale its summit. His accounts of the mountain inspired Sir Arthur Conan Doyle to write his famous novel, The Lost World, which imagines a prehistoric world of dinosaurs and strange creatures atop a remote plateau. While Roraima may not house dinosaurs, its summit still feels like a place frozen in time, untouched by the modern world. For adventure seekers, Mount Roraima offers one of the most challenging and rewarding treks in South America. The journey begins with a multi-day hike through lush rainforests and across vast savannas, eventually reaching the base of the mountain. From there, the climb to the top is steep and grueling, but the reward is breathtaking. Once on the summit, hikers are treated to sweeping vistas, surreal rock formations, and the sensation of being on another planet. The feeling of standing on this ancient plateau, surrounded by the vastness of nature, is an experience that defies words. While Mount Roraima's remote location means it remains relatively untouched by mass tourism, those who make the pilgrimage to this sacred mountain are left with memories that will last a lifetime. It's a place where science, nature, and mythology converge, creating an experience that feels truly magical. If you enjoyed learning about this incredible destination, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more amazing content, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on Mount Roraima. Have you ever dreamed of visiting this mystical mountain? Let us know. and we'll see you in the next adventure.